We all know that building a fire in a survival situation is essential to staying alive. Fire provides heat, light, the ability to cook, and it also boosts morale. Unfortunately, many factors like rain, cold, general dampness, poor tinder, high winds, and inexperience can make fire building difficult, even with great tools like lighters, matches, and fire steel. So in this episode, we're going to take a look at a breakthrough fire starting innovation from SOL, the LITE fuel-free plasma lighter, coming up next on Ultimate Survival Tips. Lightning, fire from the sky. We've all seen the power of a lightning bolt as it arcs from thunderclouds to strike the earth. Now imagine having the same power in the palm of your hand to start a fire in adverse conditions. The LITE is a fuel-free plasma lighter that creates fire the same way a lightning bolt does, using enormous amounts of heat generated by a high voltage current that is harnessed, creating a crossing double plasma arc. As a primary or backup fire starting source, the LITE has made it so I don't have to worry about damp matches or faulty butane lighters anymore. Waterproof and windproof, this rechargeable plasma lighter works in almost any condition. The flip cap creates a waterproof seal and locks into place. Pull down the lock lever, push the button, and you're ready to build your blaze. To start a fire, simply prepare your kindling, push the black button on the side of the unit, and place the dual crossing arcs very close or on your tinder. Wait a few seconds until your tinder catches and build your fire. One very important point with this tool is that it's easy to use with just one hand. Unlike many other lighters, it can be difficult to manipulate in wet and cold environments. Weighing in at just 2 ounces and measuring just under 3 inches in length, LITE fits in pockets, packs, survival kits, and places like glove boxes. To make your fire starting even easier, the LITE comes with a Paracord lanyard that contains an inner layer of highly flammable tinder. Just cut off the end, slide the outer layer back, and you have 3 feet of ready-to-go fire-making cordage. This unit is powered by a lightweight, reliable, and rechargeable battery. Just flip open the cap to access the USB recharging port that is safely inside the waterproof cap. A bonus feature of the LITE is this 100 lumen flashlight. When the lighter cap is closed, you simply push the black ignition button to cycle through high, low, and strobe functions. A full battery charge gives you around 3 hours of flashlight beam on the lowest setting, or about 57-second uses of the plasma lighter. Plug it in using the included mini USB cable for a full charge in about 2 hours. And as one more added bonus, the LITE has a durable, rubberized, bright orange outer shell that protects the lighter, keeps it firm in my hand, and reduces the likelihood that you will lose it in the backcountry. To test the LITE, we took it for a test run right after a day of rain. Our team was impressed with how easy it was to use and how well it functioned. Most importantly was that we loved its ability to turn even marginal tinder into a quick blaze. So who is the LITE fuel-free lighter for? For around $24.99 US, the LITE is a great choice for camping, hiking, hunting, emergency preparedness, bug-out bags, survival kits, or for anyone who wants an almost guaranteed fire-starting tool for wet, cold, or windy conditions, or when things turn really bad and a quick fire is essential. We've just taken a look at the LITE fuel-free plasma lighter from SOL. For your convenience, we've included links to this interesting fire starting tool in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And if you like what we're doing here at Ultimate Survival Tips, we've got a full lineup of new MSK1 survival knives and everyday carry gear that I designed over at ultimatesurvivaltips.com. Okay, this is David. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the other side. And remember, be prepared because you never know.